Ugh, I have too many screens. Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. I know it has been a hot minute since I've last recorded a tutorial, but here we are, and I'm going to show you how to live stream to Facebook because apparently some of you guys have been having some issues. So, quick things worth noting. If you are running OS X Mojave, you are going to have all kinds of problems in OBS. The only way I could resolve that problem was to download a older version and delete some files. I'll put a link to the article that I found in the description below so you can follow those things of what to delete. And if you have any questions about how to open the terminal or how to access the library file without doing terminal stuff, then you can ask those in the comments below. You know what? We're just going to do that real quick. So, if you need to access the folders in question, you just click go, then hit the option button on your keyboard, then click library, and then from there you'll follow all the folder locations. So I know there's a folder location for application support. I know there was one for preferences, and then you'll go find the respective files from the website. But that's not what this tutorial is about. This tutorial is about live streaming to Facebook and the new ways because Facebook is dumb. So in the prior version of this video, I told you to go to facebook.com/live. Facebook was dumb and decided to have that page redirect to their watch platform, which no one cares about. So instead, if you want to do it the hard way, you go to /live/create, and that should give you a similar page to what I believe is in the previous version of this video. The simpler way, and I'm going to show you how to live stream from your personal profile and a page. So I'm going to start with a page because I know that's what was in question. In your new post area, there is a little live button. So you will click that. So you can do it that way through your camera. Holy cow, you're really close. Then obviously you can connect to OBS by clicking connect. So then over in OBS, you can go over to your settings, go to stream, select streaming services, select Facebook Live, default I guess. Then you will copy paste your stream key, paste, click OK. Then you can click start streaming, and then it'll say fetching video, and then you can click go live in the bottom right. Now, once again, my internet is absolute crap. You know what? Just for fun, we're not going to add a title or tags, just for fun. However, to explain what's going on. Then you'll click go live. Now you are live on Facebook with the obvious amounts of lag. Can we just... Okay, we're going to end that now. Alright, so that's how you do it from a page, and the way that you would live stream to your personal profile is more or less the same. You could do it the hard way by going to /live/create, or you can create a new post, then you will click live video. You'll go up to connect and do exactly what I did before. Copy our stream key, come over to OBS, settings, stream key, paste, okay, start streaming, and then come back over to Facebook, wait for it to get the video, and then click go live. Alright, we're gonna end this before my friends chime in and ask stupid questions. Then, of course, if you want to do more with your streaming, you can add different elements. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can give it a big thumbs up. You can click right over here to subscribe to the respective channels, and you can click right over here to see my previous video. And as always, I will see you in the next tutorial.